Hi everyone, let's talk about using your drone when traveling. Do you have a passion for adventure? Are you a photographer or filmmaker looking to take amazing aerial photos while traveling? If you're nodding along with me, then this video is just what you need. It can be thrilling to consider integrating your two passions, traveling and being an avid drone fan. However, there are important factors to consider to guarantee a worry-free and seamless drone travel experience. We're delving into the fascinating world of drone travel in this comprehensive guide, revealing 8 crucial pointers that will enable you to go on amazing airborne experiences. Know the rules and regulations. Learning the laws and customs of the nation you are visiting is the first, and possibly most important, piece of advice. We assure you that the last thing you want is for customs officers to seize your drone. To avoid unpleasant surprises, always check the rules and regulations of drone usage in your destination well in advance. Carry on board. When traveling with your drone, always aim to carry it on board with you. Checking it in your luggage can lead to damage or loss. Smaller drones like the Mavic series can fit in your backpack, while larger ones like the Phantom Mate 4th need a separate hard case that can be stored in the overhead compartment. Protective cases. Protecting your drone during travel is vital. We recommend using hard protective cases to safeguard your equipment. These cases are not only sturdy but also compact, making them easy to carry along with your other gear. Whether you prefer snug fit cases for individual components or an all-in-one, the choice is yours. Protect the gimbal. Your drone's gimbal is a delicate and crucial component. To ensure its safety, use a clamp to secure it during travel. This simple addition can prevent unnecessary damage during transit, ensuring your gimbal stays in top shape for smooth aerial footage. Choose the right backpack. Choosing the right bag is essential for traveling with drones. It ought to be modular in design, comfy, and light. You can then modify it to effectively fit your drone and other equipment. For your drone travels, the appropriate bag may make all the difference. Pre-flight checks. Before taking your drone to the skies, remember to perform a few essential pre-flight checks. Resetting your gyro and IMU ensures that your drone remains stable and doesn't drift or tilt during flight. These simple steps can prevent mid-air surprises. Test flight. You have the chance to make sure everything is operating as it should during a test flight. Lift off, let your drone a brief period of time to hover, and then bring it down. By preventing unforeseen problems during your real flight, this helps protect you from potential mishaps. Safety first. Finally, when you are out on your drone trips, always put safety first. It's best to err on the side of caution if you're in an unknown or possibly dangerous situation. If something doesn't feel right, go with your instincts and delay your flight. Your journey should be made better, not worse, by drone flying. So there you have it, our 8 tips for traveling with your drone. If you found this guide valuable and would like to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Remember, while capturing amazing aerial shots is a thrilling part of your journey, don't forget to immerse yourself in the travel experience. Be present, soak in the moments, and enjoy the beauty of your surroundings. Safe travels and happy droning! Thanks for watching.